Good afternoon, Mu'taz.
Good afternoon.
How do you do? Fine?
Yes.
That's okay. What about the other students?
I don't know.
Do they will participate or not? Have you an idea?
What, sir?
Have you an idea about the participation of other students? Mu'taz,
Yes, Mister.
have you an idea about the participation of other students or no?
No, I don't know.
Okay. What about the number of students that participated in the first session?
I don't know. I wasn't there. I just woke up.
You didn't join to it?
Yes, I just woke up.
Yes. Wait for a while or begin Mu'taz?
We might wait for Yahya. That's he might.
Can you send to Yahya to join with us?
He uses his father's number. I don't have it.
Yes. What about Ramadan for you, Mu'taz?
What, Mister?
What about Ramadan for you?
No, it's good.
Good.
Yes.
What are you doing in this month?
When I wake up, I join the classes, and at
Yes.
the end, I just go to bed, take a rest. Then after
Read Quran or no?
yes, I do. After
Okay.
Salah Fajr, like
After
between
Fajr.
between the time that I
Yeah.
to sleep.
What part you read in Quran?
I think 10.
Part 10? But today 13. At least you must at part 13.
So I catch up, inshallah.
Okay, to finish all Quran in this month, inshallah. Good luck, Mu'taz. سألوه تمو تمام تبقى بس خلاص خلصت بس ولا حاجة بس كان فاضل لي موضوع الجوازات ده. لسه كنت بشوف واحد كده عقيد في الجوازات مظبطها لنا بس لسه كان عنده اجتماع كده ما ردش عليا. خلصت عملت ثلاث تمهيد اصلا ما كانش كان مجموعة عمل تمهيد وبتاع والكلام ده كله. كنت انا رايح واحد معرفة مستشار هناك فطلب خلصنا على طول عملت تمهيد 3 شهور الناس هتطلب سنة أصلا إن هو يتعمل في أسبوع طول ما الموقع عملوا 3 شهور وبتاع لحد 17 8 بس وخلاص كل اللي بقى تحكم هولي اللي بتروح بقى تعمل جوازات عشان تثبت إنك على الجهاز. إيه؟ لا ده هو راجل عامل بلوش وبتاع خلاص كده. لسه مستنيين بقى حد في الجوازات بقى إيه معرفة ولا حاجة ظبطنا لنا دي هناك إن شاء الله بإذن الله. إيه مش هنقدر. أنا كنت هناك في السفارة فسألت الراجل هناك على بالنسبة عايزين يرجعوا قال لي بص دلوقتي حاليا في عربيتين كلهم واخدين ذهاب وعودة يوم في الآخر بس قال لي إن شاء الله قبل العيد كلها مراجعة وكل إن شاء الله على خير. والله بعت كبير عيد متوسط هو اللي كنا في الخرافات بس برضه حاجة ماشي هيمشي ماشي ماشي حبيبي مع السلامة. Mu'taz, let's begin, Mu'taz.
Yes.
Yes, let's begin. Okay. First lesson, Mu'taz. First question about this lesson. Can you read and answer it, please?
Yes. Added ball reflects which of the following colors of the light? Red.
Okay.
color.
Red ball reflects
Hello.
which of the following? I think it reflects what? Reflects red.
Red.
Red. It's okay. Thanks. It's red. Good. Hala, Muhammad.
Yes.
Yes, welcome, Muhammad.
Sorry, I am late.
Why did you late?
Mister, I was doing something with my family.
Okay. So is the first question. Second question, Muhammad, can you answer the second question?
When white light shines through red glass, the glass absorbs all red light.
When white light shines through red glass. So the glass make what?
Reflects all light except red light.
Reflects all light except red. Sure. White light shines or falls through red glass.
Yes.
Absorb all light except red. Not reflect all light. Absorb, what I said before, that when white light falls on any colored object, this colored object will absorb all light colors except its own color. And since this glass has a red color, so it will absorb all light colors except red that can pass through it. Okay, not reflect all light colors except red. Okay, you make a reverse of this information. Okay, Muhammad?
Yes.
So when white light falls on red glass, okay, as glass is a transparent medium, so it will absorb all light colors except red that pass through it. Okay, but if it was opaque colored, what happens to it? Opaque, not transparent. What happens to it?
Reflects.
Do you know?
Doesn't reflect.
What do you say?
Doesn't reflect.
Doesn't reflect? No,
Doesn't reflect.
no. It will absorb all light colors except its own color, but will reflect it, not pass through it. And the difference between transparent colored transparent object and colored opaque object. Okay, remember and listen to this information again. There is a difference between colored transparent object and colored opaque object. Okay, each of them absorb all light colors falling on it, but transparent colored allow its color to pass through, but opaque reflect its color. Understand this information?
Yes.
This is very important. As what happens if you looked at a green glass? It will appear what? It will appear green. Okay, why?
Because of the
Why?
green lights.
Because green glass absorb all light colors except green that passes through it. But what happens if you looked at a green ball, not green glass, green ball? What happens?
It will reflect all colors except
No, not
it
reflect all
will,
colors. It will absorb
colors.
all light colors except its own color, which was green, that reflects it. Okay, the difference in this word. Opaque reflect its color, while transparent allow its color to pass. Understand this?
Yes.
Because it's very important information. Understand? It's okay. Mu'taz, question number 3.
A material used to make paints that reflects some colors of light and absorbs other colors of light.
Yes.
It's called
It's absorb that reflects some colors of light and absorbs other. It's called what?
paper.
What?
Paper, because it says here to make paints.
Pigment.
What is
It's called pigment. Pigment as color. Pigment as color. As pigment of iron rod of light bulb. Do you know light bulb? Rod of light bulb can be coated by this pigment. This pigment as color. This pigment means color that can absorb some colors, okay, and reflect others. Understand? Understand, Mu'taz?
yes.
Muhammad.
Yes, I understand.
Okay. Question number 4. Okay, Muhammad.
In blue light, a red object will look blue.
Concentrate, Muhammad. In blue light only. Blue
Yes,
light only. That
it would look blue.
falls. Concentrate, Muhammad, please. Blue light only falls on a red object. So this red object will appear as what?
Blue.
No. Mu'taz, do you know?
Blue.
No. It will appear as blue if the object was blue only.
No.
If the object was if this object was blue also, it will appear as blue because blue light falls on blue object, so this blue object will reflect blue. It's okay, but it's not a blue object, it's a red object. So it's a blue light falls on red object. What happens? What happens according to this red object? I said before that red object absorbs all light colors except its color. It's okay? So it will absorb the blue or reflect it?
I said
Absorb.
it.
Absorb. As red object absorb blue light, did any light can be reflected?
No.
So it will be what?
It will be red.
Hmm.
What?
There is no light. There is no light can be reflected. So how it can be red?
It is black.
Yes, black. Yes, black. Because there is no light. There is no light reflected. Understand, Muhammad and Mu'taz?
Yes.
As there is no light reflected, because it's
So
a red. It's a red object.
it only comes with white light.
Yeah. It's only blue light. It's only blue light that falls on red object. So the red object absorb all light colors except its own color, but there is no red light that falls on this object, so it can't reflect any color. As it can't reflect any color, so it will appear as black. It will appear as what? As black. Understand this? Understand, guys, this information?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Question number 5. Mu'taz.
The contains the cell that allows you to see colors.
Yes.
Retina.
What?
Retina.
Retina contains cells that allow you to see colors. Are you sure?
Yes.
Yes, it will be retina. Cells that allow you to see all colors. Okay. Ahmed,
Yes.
one the three primary colors light mixed. What light's produced? Okay, Muhammad. One the three primary colors of light are mixed. The three primary. So what light is produced?
Yellow, magenta, and cyan.
No. I said the three primary colors, which are
Red, blue, and green.
red, blue, and green. What happens when through this drawing? What happens when green, blue, and red mix it together? What color will be produced? When the three white, yes, white, yes, this white. When the three primary colors mix it together, will be white. Okay, Muhammad. What else?
What
Mu'taz?
is the result? Yes. What is the result when three pigments in the diagram are combined in equal amounts?
Yeah. What is the result when the three pigments in the diagram are combined in equal amount?
They will make the primary colors.
Like what?
They will make the primary colors.
Yeah, after combining, what is the color result from these colors?
Combining pigments after they mixed, they made the primary colors.
The color black is produced. Black is produced when the three pigments are produced together. It's okay? Black will be produced. Okay, Muhammad Jibreel.
Yes.
Yes, can you read?
Rainbows form due to caused by droplets of water.
Rainbow.
Reflection and refraction.
Reflection and refraction. It's okay, thanks. Mu'taz. Light is refracted twice in a prism.
When it enters and
Number 9.
it goes out. Yes.
True or false? True or false?
True.
True, yes, true, because the light first will pass from air to glass, then second from glass to air second. Okay, so it will make refract twice. Understand this?
Yes.
Ahmed?
Yes.
Can you read, Muhammad?
Carla shines a white light on a red banana and observes that it has a yellow color. Describe why a red banana has a yellow color when white light is shining on it.
Yeah. Can you explain this question? I said it before. I said before as a form of what happens when white light falls on a yellow banana.
Because I think yellow is secondary color.
It's okay. What happens? What happens when white light that contains all light colors falls on a red banana, on a yellow banana?
The yellow banana will absorb all the light
Good.
except the yellow.
Good. That reflect or pass it?
No, it absorb.
Reflect yellow or pass yellow?
Pass yellow.
Pass yellow. Why pass? Did the red banana, be a transparent object or opaque
I'm
object?
sorry. Reflect. I'm sorry.
Yeah, reflect. Good. Reflect as it's an opaque object, not transparent. If it was transparent object, so it will pass yellow from it. But it's an opaque object, so it will reflect it again. So the best answer will be the one white light falls on a yellow banana, so the yellow banana will absorb all light colors except yellow that reflects it to our eyes that can see it by this yellow color. Understand me? Understand me, Muhammad?
Yes. I understand.
Mu'taz, understand?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, I think that the revision of this session ended now. Okay, thanks Mu'taz and Muhammad Jibreen for your participation, and I hope that you enjoyed from this revision, and see you soon inshallah in the next session of chemistry vision. Okay, goodbye guys and good luck. Happy Ramadan.